All right, we're back in the 1962 Chrysler Imperial. Gorgeous car. Very few made and fewer today. It's a nice driving car. It's got the push button automatic. Fancy radio, local and distant. Something you don't often see these days is a real hood. It's a nice, smooth ride. Is it pretty responsive, John?
Oh, yeah.
Got a little gas? Oh, wow. Nice and smooth. I will mention that the car had not been started in a long time, and when we started it at idle, you did see a little blue smoke coming out, but once we took it out for a ride like this, that's very minimal, if at all. And I will get out of the car and take a picture of that to show you. And John, you could put it in neutral and even gun it a little bit and see what we get. But it's a very smooth running car, very nice car. There is a full listing with 100 pictures, and we can hold it right here, John. There'll be a listing with about 100 pictures and a link in the description how to get there. And John, let's take a look at, if you put it neutral.
Yep.
Let's take a look out the back. Want to gun it a little? That's pretty much just carbon now, and there might be just a little residual. There could be a little residual. Just let her idle, John. Just want you to know, I'm sure there's wear in the engine, so you got a little puff there, okay? So just know that. And thank you for watching, and look at the description and you can see this car for sale and look at 100 pictures. Thank you. Bye-bye.